Hey guys, want to unsubscribe all YouTube channels? Yeah, I got you. I'm here for you. This method works all the time and is super simple. First of all, you will have to find YouTube and then open it. After this, you will be brought to the main page of the YouTube. Click on your profile icon now, and after that, click on Settings on the top right corner. Scroll down and find Send Feedback. Click on it. Here write that I want to unsubscribe to all the channels I am subscribed to and then submit it. That's it. It was that simple and easy. Now, your problem will be fixed in less than 24 hours. Hope the video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that all the tutorials reach you first.